Today's fun tip involves ice cube trays, wine, and coffee. And if you ever find that you have some wine left over, says no one ever, what can you do with this instead of tossing it away? Pour it into an ice cube tray and freeze it. The things you can do with that is if you have a recipe that calls for a tablespoon or two of wine to be used in it, each one of these holds about a tablespoon of liquid, so you can pop 2 of these into your recipe. Also, if you're making a fun summer drink like a sangria, you can use these frozen wine cubes instead of ice cubes, because ice cubes will water down your drink, and the frozen cubes will keep it nice and cold without watering it down. Another use is good old-fashioned coffee. Brew a cup of coffee, let it cool down, and again, pour it into your ice cube trays. Then when you make a cup of, let's say, iced coffee, again, instead of using ice cubes that would water it down, use the frozen coffee cubes instead. So after you make your wine cubes or your coffee cubes, you can pop them out, stick them into a freezer bag, and tuck those into the freezer so you always have those handy. And I think that using coffee cubes in the morning and wine cubes at night sounds like a pretty darn good day.